Hi, today I'm going to be teaching you how to identify a product to promote on monshai.com. My name is Affiliate Morrison Ogodo. I am a top affiliate and I have been doing a lot of promotion on Facebook, monshai.com, JVZ. So I'm going to walk you through the process of how to identify a product to promote on monshai.com. First, before you do that, you have to go to monshai.com. I'm going to be going to my browser. Click on monshai.com. When you click on it, it's going to pop up and show you something like this: pick launches, all launches. And when you scroll down, you can see through my screen, see all of the products that different vendors are put up for sales for affiliate marketer to pick up to promote to their audiences. This is just launch. You can see through my screen. So what you do is just go to one of the products, you click on it, and then it will load. And then here you see this product name is mini stock. This is the vendor's name. You can click on it. It will take you to his page, either Skype or Facebook. So right now, this is the name of the product. Product goes for 27 bucks. Commission rate 50%. So this product is being promoted on JVZoo. So if you want to know more about the product, you click on this very page here. When you click on it, it's going to load. When you click on it, it's going to load and take you straight to the sales page. This is the sales page of the product where you can learn more about the product that you are about to promote to your audience. Then you can grab your link here, you click on get link, and then you have your affiliate link, which is your unique link that you can attach to your product, your product demo, whatsoever means that you want to use to promote the product. You are linking and have your affiliate link to it. So you scroll through, you see this is it. This is everything you need to know about the product that you're about to promote. You can see it clearly. Everything that you want to know. If you want to add any information here to your landing page or to your squeeze page that you want to create concerning this very product, in order for you to be able to promote it, you can. This is the sales page preview. This is the JVZ dog, the swipe, the image swipe that you can use to send messages to your customers. So we are going to be going back, but you have to take permission from the product vendor before you can be able to promote their product. So you can't just go and start promoting people product just like that. So you must seek for permission to promote the product. So you can as well click on